Hello, I am your host and facilitator for this video, how to write a problem statement. Good morning everyone. Let's start our lesson today. How to write a problem statement.
Excuse me, can you please explain how to write document number?
You can write exactly shown in the example. Type your unit code followed by your course code. For same topic, type number if there are many problem statement and revised number.
What do we have to write in duration box?
Duration reflects how long the students need to solve the problem based on number of hours or weeks, deadline period, and resource restriction.
What to write and how to write big questions.
We can find it by asking :1. Why do you teach that certain subject, topics and subtopics? 2. Are they connected with each other? 3. What are the skills you hope your students could achieve? 4. Is there any big concept connecting the topics? Pen it down and you will find the answer for what to write in Big Q. Look at homework test papers, quiz papers and exam questions. Try to recollect the questions asked in the classroom. Begin with end in mind, by imagining big picture or concept. On what we need the students to learn. Collect the intended learning outcomes. Ask yourself what are the intended skills and assessment components to be used. Please view samples.
What to write and how to write learning outcomes.
Possible learning outcomes matching your problem statement can be reviewed and extracted from your approved course specification form.
What to write and how to write triggers or learning issues.
List all possible learning outcomes that might be covered and also list possible triggers i.t. text or objects from the learning outcomes and pen it down.
What and how to write in the problem statement box.
Discuss about types of problem statement: A. Explanatory; B. Descriptive; C. Procedural; and D. Normative. An explanation is written for your reference. A. Explanatory problem that demand the students explain the experiences, terms and concept they have or encounter. B. Descriptive problem that demand the students to describe the data, phenomenon or observation using proven concept or law. C. Procedural problem that demand the students to create a procedure on how to do something. D. Normative to verify certain law, standard or model. When crafting the PS, problem crafter must think about a set of scaffolds that will help the students progress to the next level. Scaffold can be a probing questions, a simple note, resources and assessment, etc. Scaffolds are eventually removed.
What to write in expected outcome or deliverables.
List the different types of product, outcome, deliverables that are expected from your student. Presentation, report, journal, etc. Please view the sample as a reference.
What and how to write in resource.
Specify the resource need. Books, modules, chapters, internet web links, Facebook, YouTube, songs, poems, textbooks as reference, movies you want your students to access or explore. This is a problem statement sample of an engineering course for your reference. It displays the big questions, learning outcomes, topics and triggers or learning issues. This is a problem statement sample of an engineering course for your reference. Here a real scenario or a narrative is described briefly with a predefined problem statement. This is a problem statement sample of an English language course for your reference. It displays the big questions, learning outcomes, topics and triggers or learning issues. Here LC displays a perfect example of a real-life scenario for a company to develop games by students so that it will help the learners of English and submit the game to R&D. Here the expected outcome or deliverables are defined with the resource details the student must explore and extract details. This is another problem statement sample from a management course. You can see here the big question, learning outcome, topic and triggers defined. Okay, time to go folks. The last and a perfect scenario of center point is shown here. Job analysis task explanation is being asked by the supervisor for better quality performance. We reviewed here today, samples of problem statement, how to write documentation, numbering, big questions, learning outcomes, topics, triggers, expected outcomes and resource. Good luck. Don't forget to comment by dropping a line to curriculum@rsic.edu.ca. Thank you very much for watching. Stay cool and share now with your friends. See ya. Bye.